she's signing for her package.
Need a bottle of water?
Good to go, sir.
You sure?
Oh, yeah, I just stocked up at 7-Eleven. And last name?
Just put Rizzo.
Rizzo?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Do you know what it is?
No.
It's a surprise. I know what it is.
You know what it is?
Yeah. Everybody knows but you.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Is it a computer?
What does it look like?
It looks like a computer.
It's a computer.
Is it? It is a computer! I needed one!
Say I love you, girl.
I love you, the boy.
Oh, yay. She's so happy. Good job, girl.
Wait, you planned my motherboard to die.
Okay. Yeah, she's happy. She's doing a little booby dance.
I got a computer. Thank you so much. I love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
If you're going to be dancing around, wait for the open blade.
Bye.